Hello mga kadobers, this is one of the sample of the stand that we put up this morning for Monster Jam. So ito yon, we have the, wala pa mga merchandises. So we do this one like this, we set up like this, the backdraft, the Monster Jam tables, Monster Jam, Monster Jam, Monster Jam. Ayan, we have like 12 tables, locations here in the big arena here in Brisbane. So medyo nakakapagod but it's okay because we really love our job. So yun lang, basta Pinoy, okay. Yun lang kami. We have only 2 Filipinos here in Monster Jam, Marivic and I. Yun lang, sana proud to be Pinoy. So here we are now in Brisbane for Monster Jam. Monster Jam. Ayan. See you later for more updates here in Brisbane. Bye-bye.